Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. This is canva.com website, and to create a YouTube thumbnail, first create a design button. Look for YouTube thumbnail. If your YouTube thumbnail category is existing here, it is better. If it is not existing, you can go with a simple or a basic YouTube thumbnail. This is your new template. It's blank right now. You can select one of these YouTube thumbnail from this right or this side panel. For the thumbnails or templates with this pro tag, you need to have the Canva paid membership or having the free trial for 30 days. Let's add a free template. This is it. This is a free YouTube thumbnail banner. Free YouTube thumbnail template. Now to edit it, just double click the text and you can type text or type your text here. Text. To make this text bigger, you can use or tap on this little dot on the corner and you can resize your text just like that. If you want to rotate this text a little bit, select it first and you can use this rotation circle just like that. To edit the font of your text, double click your text first and go to font and select your preferred font from this list. Let's go with this Lilita one, and this is your new text font. To edit the text font or the text color, select your text again and go to this A or text color icon and change your text color just like that. To replace this photo, you can delete it first and go to the uploads and add your new photo. Let's add this photo, for example. Make it a little bit bigger. Now, if you want to add a shadow to your photo, just like this shadow, I want to select it. First, I will delete the original one. I want to add a shadow to this photo of me. First, select it like that. Go to, go to edit. Yes, edit. And below effects, click on this shadows effect. Select your shadow type between glow, drop, outline, curved, angled, or backdrop. I will go with backdrop. Scroll down a little bit. You can edit the blur amount, the direction of the shadow, and also the intensity of the shadow. As you can see, this is a medium intensity. I will edit the direction of the shadow. You can play with curved style. Now you can zoom in or zoom out on your template or YouTube banner. You can use the slider at the bottom. To edit or to replace this background, just click on the background element like that and hit delete on your keyboard. Now this is my original background color. To edit the color of this background, select it and go to background color and select a new color. I think that's all for how to edit a YouTube thumbnail template on Canva. If you want to start a new thumbnail from scratch, I will show it in just a second. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. If you want to start a new thumbnail from scratch, I will show it in just a second. Before that, to export this YouTube thumbnail, go to share, click on download. You can select between PNG and JPG from here. Let's go with PNG and click on download. And this is your YouTube thumbnail. Now to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch, let's create a new template. I will look for YouTube thumbnail and this is my new YouTube thumbnail. This is my this is the YouTube my YouTube thumbnails for Ben's Experience channel. Let's say that you want to create a similar YouTube thumbnail like this comparison thumbnail. First, I need to have the Hostinger logo, the Bluehost logo, and also the photo of me. For the logos, I will search for them on Google Photos, Hostinger logo. Just make sure to use free of copyright materials. Make sure to only use free to use logo photos on Google Photos. I also need the Bluehost logo. You can if on Google Photos, you can use or filter to only see the big size or the large photos from this place. Now I will use this photo. As you can see from here, the photo is large or is large enough. Now I will copy the first photo or logo. I will paste it here using paste or Command V or Control V, depending on if you're from a PC or on a Mac. I will duplicate this photo to have a separate logo from the text logo or logo text. First, to get simply the square of this logo, I will edit or not edit. I'm looking for the crop. Yes, this is the crop tool. Click on enter, and for the second one I will crop it to get only the text. Click on enter, and I need a third Hostinger photo for the background. I will duplicate this one. I will crop it. This time I will crop it to get a large background like that. Now resize this background to the middle. As you can see, this background should be in the back, so to edit the position of this background, select it first, go to position and click on to back. And now I have my logo just like that, and also the text. The text is on the top and the logo is a little bit smaller here. Same thing I will do with this Bluehost logo. First, I will duplicate it 3 times. Duplicate, duplicate. Now, I will get the background first. I will position it to the back. I will crop. This is a photo. I will crop for the logo or the logo icon. Make it slightly bigger and place it here. And now let's crop to get only the logo text. Place it here. Now I want the photo of my face, so I will go to my YouTube channel. To take a photo of yourself, the quality of videos uploaded to YouTube are slightly lower. So to take the best screenshot of you, I recommend you to take it from your local video. On this Mac, I use this tool or this app called Screenshot to take a screenshot. This is a screenshot of me. I will save it to my computer, and now I will use an online Photoshop alternative called photop.com. Let's drag my photo directly like that. This is my photo. Drag and move it just like here. Now I will use this magic wand tool to take or to delete the background. Now I will delete this part. Same thing. First I click on the background. To select it, I hit the delete button on my keyboard. I will delete this black color just like that. Now to keep deleting the background, I will use this rectangle, or I use this ellipse select to select the background just like that. I will use the magic wand again and take your time deleting your background. Now let's export this photo as PNG to have a transparent background. Click on save, go back to your Hostinger editor again, and let's use this. You can drag and drop your photo like that, or use it or upload it from here. Go to uploads, then click on upload files. Now let's resize this photo. As you can see, removing my background was not 100% accurate. Take your time at this step, and let's compare it to my one. As you can see, this is more detailed or more refined, or this is a well removed background. As you can see, I have a slight shadow around my face. So to add this shadow, select your photo like that, click on edit, and scroll down to effects. Click on this shadows effect, and here you can select between glow or outline. I will go with glow. Scroll down, you can edit the size of the shadow, the blur amount, and also the intensity. And this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Let's show you. This is another type of type of YouTube thumbnail. This is to add this text. Let's start from the bottom. To add we've already seen how to add a background. Now to edit the text or to add a text is simple. Just go to text, click on add a heading, and you can edit your text just like that. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Edit or to change the color, go to here, white. You can select the font from here. Now we've seen how to add or how to create this white big title. To have this white background, you can use an element. Let's use this rectangle with rounded corners. Shape it like that and click on this color and turn it to white. Let's delete this element. To create this white with black border Canva element, it's simple. You can add the same element like that. Add your Canva logo like that. Resize it or make it a little bit smaller. Select to add this black background over this white element. Select the white element and click on border style. Select this border and you can add or make it a little bit smaller or bigger. To add the border color, click on border color icon and you can select between different colors. And this is how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.